Well, it's that time of year, and if you are tired of your skin looking like a snake that's shedding, this is the video for you. We're going to be talking about combating severe dry skin in this video. So if you are someone who suffers from that year-round, things like eczema and psoriasis, I've got you covered with that in this video as well. And even though I've already done a couple of videos on this topic the last couple of months, now that we're getting into really dry winter air, I wanted to bring this back forward to everyone. And what that means in this video, we're going to take dry skin that looks like this and get it to look like this. First and foremost, dry skin, your skin barrier, it's broken and we got to fix it. And the first thing we've got to do is get moisture back into the skin and keep it there. Stop it from the transepidermal water loss that happens especially this time of year when the humidities are much lower and the air much drier. Now, transepidermal water loss is a natural phenomenon. It happens all the time. So you get out of a swimming pool, you sit on a towel, you dry, right? The water evaporates. Well, in the case of dry skin issues, the problem is that outer layer of skin is now super, super dry. It's actually pulling moisture like a sponge from the deeper levels of your skin. And because the environmental air outside of your skin is so super dry, it's actually extracting oils from your skin along with the moisture. So you're losing both in that evaporative process. So we're going to jump into some really quick tips. This is not going to be a long video. It does not need to be. Just simply follow along with this simple information, follow the steps, and you will be dry skin free for the entire winter. And if it's a problem you combat all the time, maybe for the rest of your life. Back to the evaporative process, the best time to trap moisture in your skin is right after a shower or a bath. And you literally have just about 5 minutes in indoor air before all of that moisture that has been infused into the upper layers of your skin begins to evaporate away and is lost. So we want to trap that moisture with a moisturizing cream, a ceramide cream, some sort of product, and I'm going to give you some recommendations on what to use in this video as well. But we want to trap that moisture in the skin and keep it from leaving so that your own skin's natural oil and moisture production is kept at a maximum level inside the layers of your skin. And you want to pay close attention to the areas on your skin, on your body, wherever that you're having these excessive dry problems, and you want to add even more moisture before you apply cream. Now, I talk about this product a lot because it's one I use. It's very inexpensive. It's by Mario Badescu. In fact, there's several different versions of this. This is the orange, sage, and aloe version. It's my favorite because, of course, aloe is very soothing to the skin, very healing. Also, the sage and orange blossom are anti-inflammatory on the skin as extract. So even though, yes, you could technically use just a sprayer with water, just add more moisture that way. But why not add something that's actually doing something for your skin rather than just plain old water? And for the areas of the chest and neck, which tend to be very, very dry in the winter months, I always recommend adding some sort of peptide product to your skincare routine for those areas, including the face, because those peptides, which are actual amino acids that your skin needs in order to maintain collagen and elastin, evaporate away from the skin as well in that vicious cycle of dryness. So one spray product that works really, really well is actually Uber Youth Neck and Chest Peptide Spray by Beauty Pie. And I'll put links to both of these products down below in the video description so you can check them out on your own. Bottom line is we want to have the skin very moist, and then we want to apply a cream, something that's going to cap and trap that moisture in. And it can't just be any old formula. It needs to be something that's going to be occlusive and sit on the top of the skin and trap that moisture in. Now, when I did the video on rejuvenating aged skin on the hands, dry skin on the hands, I talked about this product, gloves in a bottle. And the reason that I like gloves in a bottle is because it provides a shield on the skin, much like rubber gloves you would wear to help trap that moisture, soothe skin, and can actually rejuvenate older looking skin, making it look younger and healthier again. Now, gloves in a bottle is called a shielding lotion rather than what you would think of as just a regular old moisturizing cream. And it was developed by a dermatologist, and it's been used in the medical and dermatology industry forever, in industries as well where you have to wash your hands a lot because of the special shielding ingredients in this formulation. It actually is absorbed into that very outer layer of skin, that dead layer that's on the very surface, sealing in the moisture, helping your own body's repair process, and it doesn't wash off. It will last through several hand washings, so you don't have to keep reapplying it, and it works anywhere: elbows, knees, hands, feet, anywhere you're starting to see that dry, cracked skin. It also works extremely well for eczema and psoriasis, which get triggered in these drier air months. And then the other thing that you can do to improve this condition, especially indoors, is to add humidity back into the air through a humidifier, especially in the bedroom where you're sleeping at night, because cotton pillowcases, sheets actually wick moisture and oil away from the skin when you sleep on them, making your skin even drier. Adding moisture back into the air can make a huge difference. And when I lived in Pennsylvania for all those years, those dry winter months, and I mean super dry, I learned that lesson the hard way because I had skin lesions, winter skin lesions, that I'd never had before simply because the air was so dry. So really very simple steps to follow, making sure after a shower or a bath that you trap the moisture that's in your skin before that 5 minutes is up, that you use some sort of spray in the areas where you're seeing some severe drying or issues, and then capping it with a sealing cream like gloves in a bottle to help trap it all, keep it in there, throughout the day and night. You're going to see a huge improvement in your skin. Take a look at this actual before and after picture of what a difference this can make. Again, links for all three of these in the video description. You can find them on Amazon. And for my Canadian viewers watching the channel, it's actually available in Canada too. Now, I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please like it, share it out. Let me know any questions or comments you have. And for even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video that I picked out for you next. And as always, I really appreciate you watching my videos and supporting my work. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over in that next video.